Stop apps from secretly tracking your iPhone activity. Change your private Wi-Fi address. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi near the top. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Tap the info icon next to the network. Tap Private Wi-Fi address. Select Rotating. This helps prevent apps and other services from tracking you through your Wi-Fi IP address. Protect your mail activity. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and tap on M. Select Mail from the list of apps. Scroll to the Messages section. Here, tap Privacy Protection. Turn Protect Mail Activity on. This feature helps hide your IP address and your activity from remote parties and remote content. Change Safari tracking settings. Go back to the Apps list. Look for the Safari option and click on it. Find the Privacy and Security section. Turn Prevent Cross-Site Tracking on. This helps limit websites and third-party trackers. Next, tap Hide IP Address. Choose the strongest available option for hiding your IP address from trackers and websites. Enable Advanced Tracking Protection. Stay in the Safari settings and scroll to the bottom. Tap Advanced. Select Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. Choose the strongest available protection level, such as all browsing if shown. This helps reduce advanced tracking techniques used to identify your device while browsing. Turn off app tracking requests. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap on Privacy and Security. Select Tracking. Look for Allow apps to request to track. Turn this option off. This is a simple way to improve your privacy across apps on your iPhone. Manage Location Services. Go back and tap Location Services. Here, you'll see all the apps that have requested location access. Some apps, such as Maps, may need your location to work properly. For apps that don't need it, tap the app and select Never. This helps reduce unnecessary location tracking on your iPhone. Turn off System Location Services. While you're on the Location Services page, tap on System Services. Here you'll see system features that may use your location in the background. Keep important services enabled, such as emergency calls and SOS and Find My iPhone. Review the remaining options and turn off any location services you don't need. Next, find and tap significant locations and routes. If you don't want your iPhone storing this location information, turn the feature off. To remove previously stored location history, tap Clear History. Tap Clear History again to confirm. This gives you more control over how your iPhone uses and stores location information. Review app permissions. Go back to the main Privacy and Security page. Here you'll find permissions for camera, microphone, local network, Bluetooth, and more. For example, disable microphone or camera access for apps that don't require them. Only keep permissions enabled for apps you trust and actively use. Turn off analytics and improvements. In the Privacy and Security page, scroll down and tap Analytics and Improvements. Here, you'll see several options that can share analytics and usage data with Apple. If you prefer not to share this information, turn Share iPhone Analytics off. Turn off any additional analytics options you don't want to share. Once disabled, you'll have more control over the data shared from your device. Turn off personalized ads. Go back to the main Privacy and Security page. Here, tap on Apple Advertising. Look for the Personalized Ads option. Turn Personalized Ads off. This limits Apple's use of your information to deliver personalized ads. Turn off additional reports. After that, go through the remaining options, such as Apple Intelligence Report and App Privacy Report. Make sure to turn off any reports or activities that you don't want to share. And that's it. By changing these settings, you can limit the amount of information your iPhone and apps can use to track your activity.